What is going on, guys? Paul James here, and in this video I'm going to break down the laziest side hustle that you can get started on using free AI, and you can make as much as $500 a day with this strategy. Now the best part is that you can get started for free. I'm going to break everything down that you need to know in this video right here. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be setting up assets across the web that generate us leads on autopilot around the clock. And this is an example of one of those assets that I have that's making me money over and over and over again from work that I set up once. So I'm going to explain how to get started with this and how you can get your first one up and running using AI right by watching this video. You can get going on this immediately. So step one to make this work is that you need to pick a niche and you need to pick a location that you're going to set these up in. Now the cool part is that you don't have to design websites with this new way of doing it because of the fact that we're going to be using AI. You can actually set up AI videos that do it all for you. You don't have to be on camera. You don't have to show your face. You don't have to talk even. It does it all for you automatically. So you're going to need to pick a niche, and the best niches that work really well for this strategy, because what happens is every time we get someone to raise their hand from watching our video, they're going to be turned into a customer for this particular client that we find. And usually that ends up being about $50 per phone call. I'm going to show you how to set this all up. It's really, really easy. So what you're going to do is pick a niche. I recommend going on this website, thumbtack.com, and selecting one of the niches here because these niches are proven to work. Now, once you have a niche, you're going to want to also come up with a good offer to put in your video. And this is a call to action. Now, call to action is exactly what it sounds like. It gets someone who's watching your video to actually raise their hand and say, hey, this sounds like a good fit for me. I'm interested. How can I get started? So I like using Groupon because Groupon is going to give you ideas. So you can see here 50% off HVAC duct cleaning. So if I was going into the HVAC thing, that might be a really good offer that I could offer, and it seems to be working. You can see by the reviews and the star ratings of how it's going. Here's another one, 45% off carpet cleaning, up to 81% off garage door tune-up packages. So that could be a really good one as well. But you get the idea. Just go through, see what's working, and then we're going to go on to the next step. So to recap, step one is pick a niche. Step two, go through Groupon and find an offer that's working. And then step three is you're going to need to grab yourself a tracking phone number because we're going to need to track all the calls that come in. Basically, every time someone calls the number, it's going to forward off to someone that we're going to sell the leads to. So say we're working with a roofing contractor, we're going to make $50 every time a number gets forwarded. So go to dialhawkapp.com and go ahead and sign up for a free demo right here so that you can get started tracking the phone calls. And then we're going to use a tool called invideocreator.com. You can get started for free with this tool. They do have some optional upgrades, but you can start off for free and get going with this strategy. But what we're going to do is inside of here, we're going to hit create an AI video. We're going to start from scratch. And we're going to give them instructions on how we want this to work. So we're going to say that we are creating a video for roofing, or for homeowners in Orlando that need a roof inspection done. We offer free inspections. Okay, that's our offer. The offer is roof inspection and we offer free inspection. So again, I would have pulled this niche from the first step, which is Thumbtack. I would have pulled this offer, free inspection, from Groupon because I'm going to find out what's working. And then I'm going to let AI do all the work for me. I'm going to click generate a video and let's see what happens next. Okay, it's going to prompt us and ask us what's the ideal audience. I'm going to say homeowners, that I want the look and feel to be bright, and that I want this to be for YouTube. Now you can do Instagram Reels or Facebook. So for example, if you want to do this with short form content, it does work really well with short form content as well. And you can definitely do a lot of those, right? You can post them on Instagram Reels, TikTok, Facebook, and I recommend you do them all, okay? But what we're going to do is we're going to hit continue on the YouTube video. It's going to go ahead and finish, and all we have to do then is upload this to a YouTube account, place our tracking phone number on it. Let me show you how to get that while this is loading. So inside of dialhawkapp.com, once you sign up for that free demo and you go through that whole process and you get yourself an account, you're going to go to the campaigns. You're going to create a campaign. You're going to select how much you want to get paid per call. So I'm going to say $50 per call. I'm going to save that. I'm going to go ahead and search by state and do FL for Florida. Hit search. And there we go. We're presented with a bunch of options. And you can see we can purchase phone numbers for $1.15. Okay, so that's going to allow us for $1.15 to track every single call that comes in from this asset that we're creating with AI and charge $50 per call. And then once we have our phone number, we come under here where it says forwarding method, and we're going to type in someone that we want to work with. Now, ideally, we just go back to this site, Thumbtack, or we can go to Home Advisor, Angie.com, and we find a company that's paying one of these guys for leads, and we forward our leads to them. Okay, so again, dialhawkapp.com does it all for you by going in. You grab the phone number, put it on your video, and then it forwards it off automatically for you. And you're going to want to do one more thing after you put in the number of who you want to work with. Under call features, you're going to do lead from Paul under the whisper text, but you're going to use your name. What this is going to do is it's going to send the person some free leads and get them excited about the opportunity to work with you because they see what you're doing is working, right? And you can follow up with them and then tell them, hey, I sent you a couple free leads. If you want to keep getting more, it's just $50 per lead. Super easy way to get going with this strategy and actually make money without having any proof or any existing client starting off. So here's our video here that got generated. I'm just going to click play quickly. I'm not going to play the whole thing so that you can kind of hear it. Let me move my microphone.
Are you worried about your roof holding up? Don't let a small issue turn into a big problem. We're offering free roof inspections for all Orlando homeowners.
Okay, so very quickly, you see how that works. It's super easy. Just go to invideocreator.com, create your video, and then post it to your YouTube account. And then in the description of your YouTube video, you're going to post your tracking phone number, which you got from dialhawkapp.com. Leads are going to forward. You get paid $50 per call. And you just rinse and repeat and do this over and over and over again. You very quickly can get to massive numbers with this, just like I've been able to do and many of my successful students have been able to do as well. Now, if you enjoyed this strategy and you want to see more videos like this, you need to comment yes in the comment section below. And also I'll have links in the description of the video to everything that I used here so that you can get started quickly. This is very easy. All you need to do is take action. I'm so excited to see you get started with this strategy. Until next time, I am Paul James. Peace out.